guys, I'm Patty. This is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making an Instant Pot Italian beef sandwiches. Let me tell you what I've got here. I've got a rump roast, bottom round roast that is 2.27 pounds. I got it was on sale at Violet for $6.81, regular $15.87. I love it when I get a good deal. I'm going to cut this one in half so it'll be easier whenever we shred it. I'm going to put it fat side down, fat cap down in the Instant Pot. And then I'm going to mix the following together. This is a 16-ounce jar of pepperoncini. It wanted me to get the sliced, but the only ones they had was medium, and I wanted it mild. So I bought some whole pepperoncini and gave them a rough chop. I'll mix those up in the bowl, juice included. I need a cup of water. I've got a white onion that I've chopped up. They call for a medium one, but this one wasn't extremely large, but it really wasn't medium. I've got 2 packets of the Good Seasons Italian dry dressing mix. We're having company tonight for this. I'm just having chips with it and nothing major. I need a teaspoon of oregano. It won't fit. And a teaspoon of granulated garlic. I'm going to mix this up. And I'm pour this over here. I'm not going to brown. It didn't specify to brown the roast. So what I want to do now is make sure it's sealed. I want to cook it for 1 hour. When it's done, I'm going to let it naturally release all the way. And then we'll bring you back for that part. Be back in about an hour. Okay. Now this took approximately 20 minutes for it to naturally release to where the little thing dropped. I'm going to take the roast out. And I'm going to let it cool slightly, and then I'm going to cut the fat off, and then I'm going to shred it with 2 forks. And I'm going to let this cool and then skim the fat off the top. So after that's complete, we'll bring you back to build the sandwiches. Alright guys, I've shredded this and I skimmed off most of the fat, I do believe. All I had to do was cut out the fat cap off the back. And this hardly has any fat in it. Oh, please don't lose that. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on to warm. You know, I'm going to bring it to boil first, and then I'm going to turn it down to warm. And then when our company gets here, take a look at this. Can you see in here good?
No.
Look at that. It smells amazing. When our company gets here, we'll make a sandwich and we'll show it to you, and then supper will be ready. See y'all shortly. Okay. Alright, our company's here, so we're going to get this party started. This is so good. provolone. Everybody else got to fix their own. Alright. My wife's here with her, that crazy man that follows her around.
And me too.
And that one too. Anyway. Alright guys. Our Instant Pot Italian beef sandwiches are done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, and share it on your social media. Don't forget, oh hell, I don't even know what I'm saying. Hit the bell notification when you're done. When you subscribe, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.